Segment 9, Lenses and Final Assembly. Lens manufacturing. For optical frames, lens manufacturers like Zeiss produce the clear lenses. For sunglasses, the process is more complex. Layers of tints, coatings, polarizers, UV filters. Each step adds depth, protection, and style. So in terms of lens manufacturing, when we talk about lenses that don't have a prescription, we refer to those as plano lenses. Certainly with respect to sunglasses, there are a number of layers, a number of different coatings. The process is incredibly complex to get the result that you see with world-class lens makers like Maui Jim. But similarly, for optical lenses, there is quite a bit of complexity as well. So when we choose the tints, that's part of the process. Usually that happens at the end of the manufacturing process where the lenses are dipped. When you do a double gradient tint, you not only have to dip the lens, but then you have to turn it at exactly a 90-degree or 180-degree angle and dip it in such a way that the two gradients line up perfectly. And this is a bit of a trick. Then you have other complexities that are inherent in making a freeform lens, which has a much higher resolution of augmentation than you would find in a blank lens that they use off the shelf that's not a freeform lens. Those lenses tend to be cheaper. The vision that you get with a freeform lens is next level. So in addition to the tints, we can also talk about flash mirrors or mirrors that can be added to the front of the lens. The flash mirror is a lighter sort of mirror than you would find typically in sunglasses, which often use mirrors themselves. So you have flash mirrors, you have the tints, single gradient, double gradient, or maybe a solid tint. You also have anti-reflective coating, and there are different types of coatings that get applied to lenses. So with anti-reflective coating, you want to reduce the reflections off of the front and the back surface of the lens so that you can see your eyes better. But another thing that often gets added to anti-reflective coating is a hydrophobic coating as well as an oleophobic coating. So the hydrophobic coating allows water to sort of bead off of the lens much more easily, and the oleophobic coating makes the lenses much easier to clean. But all of this takes time, and there are a number of layers, there are a number of processes. These processes often take weeks. So making an optical lens can be as complex as making a sunglass lens. So let's talk about glazing. Glazing is the process by which you take the lens that comes from the lab, which resembles a hockey puck, and you fit it into the actual glasses in which you're going to insert them. So you need to apply a block to the lens so that the lens is properly centered. Then you apply a chuck to the lens, you put it into the machine, it edges the lens to fit the internal parameters of the rim wire itself, and then you apply a groove that will hold it into the rim wire.